Hello friends, this is Sanket Shukla. I'm glad to inform you that I have cleared my PMP examination in the month of February, and I am here to share my lesson learned experience with you guys so that you can clear the exam. I will be discussing the chapters of PMP. Today I will be covering the projects. So we will start with the project, the first chapter of PMP. But before we start, we need to stop and consider some basic concepts to make sure we are on the same playing field. So what is the first lesson we will consider? That is what is not a project and what is a project. It is an important part of the PMP to understand what is not a project and what is a project. If you understand these concepts, it will help you to understand the further chapters easily. So what is not a project? When you say it is not a project, then what it is? It is an operation. What is different between the operation and projects? The operations are ongoing executions of activities. The operations are permanent in nature. Operations are ongoing and permanent with a repetitive output. When I say repetitive output, it means that operations are like example productions, manufacturing, and accounting are the examples of operation. There are many definitions of operations. The operations can be repetitive. It can be like suppose designing in car is a project, but to produce the car in production factory is an operation, right? The project has an end, but operation is a repetitive task. Like the car design is designed only once, but the multiple cars are being reproduced with a repetitive action. The operation do not produce new things, but are necessary to maintain and sustain the things. The operation used to run regular business models, achieve the goals of business, and support the business. The operations are different from projects, which are known for their uniqueness. The operations are permanent and their only constraint is to make the profit for the average. Any manufacturing or production process can be an example of operations. Hope you guys understood what is operations. If you don't have any doubt or if you have any questions, you can just post and comment on in the video, and I will be happy to glad answer your questions. So what is project? As per PMBOK guide, the project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, and result. When I say a temporary endeavor, it is a catchword. And try to remember this definition. This can be a question in a PMP examination, and which can get you in one question right. So you have to mug up this definition of project. The project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Project always has a temporary time frame. It has to end some or the other. It will always produce a result or a service or a product. As per the Prince 2 definition, the project is a temporary organization that is created for the purpose of delivering one or more business product according to agreed business case. Although the wording of each definition is different, the meaning is same. The nature of the project is temporary. When I say temporary, the project has always had an end. It is between the scheduled time period. A project is undertaken to produce a unique output. The output can be a product, service, or a result. What does it mean that a project is a temporary by nature? Once you deliver the final delivery, your project is ceased to exist because its objective has been achieved. A project has a definitive start and an end. It cannot continue forever. It has to end when the objective is achieved or it is terminated. Second point says that a project produces an output. If it is a construction related, the output will be a physical structure. If it is a research related project, it may produce a report, example, analysis of an impact of vehicle pollution on environment. The projects may also produce a service related output. For example, setting up a call center to help the customers to solve the problem. The another example I gave you was the car. Designing is the car is a project and production is an operation. So what is the difference between project and operations? There are many differences between projects and operations. The projects are unique and temporary, while operations are ongoing and permanent with a repetitive output. Projects has a fixed budget, while the operation have to earn a profit to run the business. Projects are executed to start a new business objective and terminated when it is achieved, while operations work does not produce anything new and it's ongoing. Project create a unique product, service, or a result, while operation produce the same product, aim to earn a profit and keep the system running. As I said, that project, when we design a car, it's a unique product. A new design has been produced. But operation, the same design with multiple outputs, like multiple cars has been produced. Is an example. There are some risk in the projects as they usually done for the first time. But while in operation, they are fewer as they are repeated many times. Initially, the car design can be a faulty, but the second, there may be an improvement. So there are very less chance in the operations to get the risk and the mistakes to be done. The projects are performance incentives, while the operations are efficiency incentives. The projects are managed through project management, and operation requires business process management.